Everybody, it's Salesforce Jen, and I like to talk about Experience Cloud. And today I'm going to help you upload a package to Experience Cloud so that you may learn about accessibility. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a dev org. I did a legacy dev org. You can do any kind you want. And once you're logged in and you set it up, you're going to go to the setup menu, so to the top right where it says setup, and I click on the button. Next, you're going to type in digital experiences. Now, you will not see as many options as mine. I've already set it up, but you'll go to settings, and under settings, you'll have a checkbox that says enable digital experiences. That is step one. You're going to check the button and then go through the page, and you're going to end up like me. So now, if I type in digital experiences, you will also have more options like me, and we're going to go to all sites. And I can see now that I have the ability to add a site. But before I add a site, I am going to load a package. So I'm going to open an incognito window. This doesn't seem to work without it, or paste the installation URL at the top. And then it is going to prompt me to log in. And I'm going to enter my name and password and log in. I'm going to say I don't want to register my phone, as this is just a video. Now, it is going to ask for a password, and I have one. So it's in the documentation. You're going to go to install for admins only. So I'm going to hit install. That'll take a few minutes to load. And once it's loaded, we can move out of the incognito window. So I'm going to move that somewhere else so it can load. And then we're going to go over here. And I am back into my original org. I am not incognito anymore, although you could. And we're going to, let me just refresh the page here. And I am going to create a new site. So that's the first thing. My package has finished installing. New. You can name this anything you want. So it'll take just a moment to load up. And right here, this is the accessibility learn and practice package. This is just information I put in. You can hit get started and you can name it. So you can name it anything you want. You can add a URL. So I think I will, and I'll just put a dash, and I'm going to hit create. And so it didn't like that dash. So we're going to hit create now. And so now what's going to happen is behind the scenes, it is going to set up my site. From there, we're going to adjust a few settings and you'll be ready to go. Okay, now that that has finished, it has taken us to this page. And the first thing we're going to want to do is click on administration, because we want to go to the admin settings and set this up. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on preferences on the top left. And I want to check this box, let users view asset files. Okay, and I'm going to hit save. That'll take just a moment to save for us. Okay, now that is saved, we're going to go to settings, and at the top here, we're going to hit activate. We're going to hit OK, and that's going to activate. And then there's one more step we have to do. So right now it's activating. So I'm going to go to the top left where it says administration, and click on builder. Okay. And over here in the builders where you're going to work most of the time. But there are a couple settings that we need to put in place. We're going to go to the cog in the top left. We're going to go under general right here. And we want to make sure that we give public access to the site. And after we do that, in order to save things inside Experience Cloud, hit the publish button. Publish is the same as save. So let's hit publish. And you can describe it if you want. We're going to say setup site. This is just for tracking, and hit publish. Now, while that's doing it, it'll just take a minute, especially the first time, and now it's done. You are ready to work in your new accessibility org.